Hello guys! Welcome back to my mini vlog. And today, i-share ko sa inyo yung travel namin sa Ilocos Province. So, nag-travel lang kami guys from Cebu, Mactan to Manila since 10 hours yung biyahe from Manila to Ilocos Province. And we arrived at Naiya guys around 10 p.m. Inintay lang namin yung magpipick up na driver sa amin and straight to Ilocos Province na since the travel time is around 9 to 10 hours from Manila. And since one of the reason na nag-travel kami this time, it's because it's Isabella and Gisner's birthday. At saktong midnight naman na naabutan kami para mag-stop over. So, since gutom na gutom ang mga person, kain first, para nguab later. And to our first stop guys, Ilocos Norte. Nag-siomay lang kami guys, tapos konting picture. Para naman may proof tayo, uy, na nakarating tayo dito, uy. And to our next stop, guys, we tried the sand dunes 4x4 and unlimited sandboarding. Oh, diba? Shock ang mga person. Kala kasi namin, guys, chill ride lang yun. And of course, guys, if you visit here, I highly recommend na i-avail nyo yung drone shots. Because guys, it's really worth your penny talaga. And after namin dun sa 4x4 truck guys, trinay naman namin yung sandboarding nila. Actually guys, package na siya, sandboarding unlimited at 4x4 truck with drone shots yung in-avail namin.
Naligid! Mama! Okay, mas may mahal din ako.
And since unlimited nga guys, ikaw doon talaga yung papagod pumalik. At talaga namang enjoy yung mga birthday celebrant natin. And of course, ang birthday boy. Our experience here is very tiring guys, but 1 million over 10 super fun. Konting pahinga lang guys and then proceed na sa next activity. Flex ko lang din yung napakasarap nila na ice cream dito guys. Grabe, 10 over 10 talaga siya. And to our next stop guys, dito sa Malacanang of the North. So konting pasyal lang kami dito, hindi na talaga kami pumasok talaga sa loob. And we decided na pumunta na lang sa ibang spot. And that's it for my mini vlog guys. See you in my next video.